Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had a really stressful day and I didn't know what to film, and so after I looked down at my nails and saw how crusty they were, I decided why not show you guys what I did with my nails and just kind of have you sit down and relax with me while I paint them. So I really like how they turned out. I saw them on Pinterest. I immediately was like, I have to do these nails. So if you want to see how I did them, then just keep on watching. To start out, I'm going to be putting a white nail polish all over my nails on my left hand. This just really gives a nice base for the vibrant colors that we'll be putting on top. I didn't film this step, but I went ahead and put a gel base coat on all of my nails. So going off of my reference picture, my pinky nail is supposed to be yellow, and my middle finger is purple, my pointer finger is nude, and my thumb will be blue. So now I'm just putting a gel top coat on all of the nails and I'll be curing them, but I had to do these one at a time because you really want to wait for your base color to dry before you put the top coat on and cure it. Putting on this top coat now and curing it really helps us later when we have to go and do the designs because it makes it easy to scratch off if you mess up. So now I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm taking an orange and just making cow prints. It's kind of hard to explain. Really, you just kind of make really messy circles and you put some half ones towards the edges and towards the top, and you just do this on all of the nails. So for my middle nail, I took a pale green and made these same cow prints, and then for the thumb, I took a lighter version of the orange that's on my pinky nail, and for my ring finger, I took just a regular cow print and did white and black, and then for my pointer finger, I took brown on top of the nude. Again, there's really no better way to describe drawing this print than just making a bunch of messy, squiggly circles and just kind of going with it. I really heavily went off my reference picture and just kind of played with the shapes. Now, while I'm letting my other hand dry with all the prints on it, I went ahead and painted my other hand white, except for the pinky nail, I painted a taupey greenish blue. And again, going off my reference picture, my thumb is a darker yellow than the one that's on my other hand. My pointer finger will be a bright neon pink. My ring finger is a lighter pale pink, and my middle finger is a minty green. And then while I'm waiting for these nails to dry, I went back to my other hand and put on a top coat and cured that. I went ahead and did a top coat on the other hand as well, and then started on my designs. So for the cow print on this hand, I did a light purple for my thumb, a blue for my pointer finger, a teal for my middle finger, red on my ring finger, and then for my pinky finger I did a combination of white and brown. So the design on my pinky finger is a little different than the rest of them. Basically, I started off with a white cow print base and then went over with some brown and went over the middle dot and some of the sides. I think it just adds more dimension and almost kind of makes it look like a camo cow print. And finally, after all of that has dried, I'm putting on a top coat on my right hand and curing that as well to seal everything in. Those are the completed nails. If you guys enjoyed watching, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave in the comments down below other type of videos you want to see. They're definitely not perfect. I'm no nail artist. I'm no Simply Nail Logical. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and had as much fun watching me paint my nails as I had painting them. But I'll see you in the next one.